and the former Chief Minister of Goa, Lakshmikant Parrikar, in no uncertain words has described what Vinay Tendulkar is. It is our misfortune, my dear friends, that Vinay Tendulkar, the uneducated Vinay Tendulkar, who cannot even speak a line of English, is representing us in the Rajya Sabha, the House of the Elders. In the Rajya Sabha, we have Sachin Tendulkar on one side and this idiot on the other side. May I read the resolution for the approval of this audience. Resolution taken at a meeting of citizens held on 24th of November 2018 at Azad Maidan. This meeting strongly condemns Manohar Parrikar for selfishly clinging to the Chief Minister's chair despite being physically incapacitated and critically ailing over the last 9 months. This meeting further condemns Goa Governor Mridul Sinha for being a mere spectator to the breakdown in the administration and having failed in a constitutional obligation to intervene and restore governance in the state. This meeting resolves to intensify the agitation across the state in all the 12 talukas to demand a full-time performing Chief Minister so that governance can be restored in the state. I please request you all to raise your hands and approve this resolution. Yeah, this assembly resolves. Now may I request, on 21st the government has informed us verbally that Manohar Parrikar is physically incapacitated. He is not in a position to speak or to meet anyone. And that is the factual position. Ministers and the BJP MLAs are not getting an appointment with Manohar Parrikar, the Chief Minister. I am informed from his family sources that nobody is allowed to see him. The only officer who met him for 3-4 minutes day before yesterday is Mr. Michael D'Souza, the Additional Secretary of Finance. So this situation can no longer continue, and that is the reason this agitation to get governance back in Goa has to be a state one. So now before we end the meeting, I would just like to remind those who came late that as part of intensifying this as a statewide agitation, we will be demonstrating at all public functions attended by Goa Governor Mridul Sinha. We will be, during the course of the next few days, demonstrating before every office of the Deputy Collector in all the 12 talukas. We will be demonstrating at all functions attended by union ministers in the state of Goa, so that Narendra Modi gets a clear message to them. And one minister who is scheduled to come is on 10th December to inaugurate the Kandapar Bridge. We are also planning to have flash demonstrations at short notice at the residence of Manohar Parrikar in Donapaula. So let this be a people's agitation for the sake of Goa. And as one of the speakers said, regardless of the parties, regardless of the NGOs, it is time, my dear friends, we come together to salvage what remains of this sinking Goa. Thank you for having attended this meeting, and please spread the message across.